Hey guys, my name is Reid Clark. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm an artist for Collision Drumsticks. And I've been playing drums for about 20 years now. So I've really been enjoying the Collision Drumsticks 5AR sticks. They don't look great because I've been playing them a lot, but they play amazing. A few things I love about Collision is that number one, their sticks play great. I have been playing the same brand and size of sticks for probably 10 years, and it wasn't until Collision that I finally changed over to a new stick. I also love the personal touch that the management has with all their artists. I got a personal phone call from one of the team members just asking me about my story, asking how long I've been playing for. I also love the personal promotion they do for their artists. I think a lot of endorsements just kind of want you to buy their stuff and they don't really give you any kind of promotion. I think it's really cool that Collision puts out videos for you and shares stuff for you to get your name out there. I play for two bands. I play for a band called Gortrosity, which is a death metal band. I also play for a band called October, which is a mixture of cover tunes and alternative rock originals. I'm also a drummer for hire, from recording sessions to live shows. Thanks for listening. I'm about to play you the song Plague by my band Gortrosity. Enjoy.